Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this example, we have to discuss the value of a² plus b² and the value of ab from the given data. In example, given that a plus b is equal to 7 and a minus b is equal to 3, then find the value of a² plus b² and ab. Solution. We are given that a plus b is equal to 7 and a minus b is equal to 3. Now we know that a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 times a² plus b². Substituting the values of a plus b and a minus b in the given formula. 7 whole square plus 3 whole square is equal to 2 times a² plus b². 7 square is equal to 49 and 3 square is equal to 9. Now 49 plus 9 is equal to 58. Dividing both sides by 2, we get the value of a² plus b² is equal to 29. Now to find the value of ab, we use the formula a plus b whole square minus into a minus b whole square is equal to 4 times ab. Using the value of ab, which is 7, and the value of a minus b is 3. 7 square is 49 and 3 square is equal to 9. Now 49 minus 3 minus 9 is equal to 40, means 4ab is equal to 40. Dividing both sides by 4, 4 cancel with 4 and ab is equal to 10. So the value of ab is equal to 10. Hence a² plus b² is equal to 29 and ab is equal to 10. Thank you for watching this lecture.